GM Cardano, I'm Lloyd Duhon, and this is Governance Matters. Today, we're focusing on a significant milestone in Cardano's journey toward decentralized governance, Delegated Representatives and the DRep Pioneer Workshop Leaders Program. The Cardano community has been eagerly anticipating the Chang upgrade since the CIP 1694 workshops in 2023. This two-phase upgrade will bring on-chain decision-making to Cardano, marking the beginning of the Voltaire era. Central to this new governance model are Delegated Representatives, or DReps. These individuals or groups will play a crucial role in Cardano's liquid democracy system. ADA holders will have the option to vote directly on governance actions or delegate their voting rights to DReps. To prepare for this transition, Intersect has launched the DRep Pioneer Workshop Leaders Program. This initiative aims to educate and empower community members to effectively serve as DReps. The program has selected a diverse group of pioneer leaders from around the world. These leaders have developed and are delivering comprehensive DRep training within their communities. Let's take a closer look at the responsibilities of DReps and the structure of this new governance model. DReps, along with stake pool operators and the Constitutional Committee, will collectively decide on crucial matters such as protocol parameters, hard forks, and treasury withdrawals. Their votes will significantly influence the platform's future direction. To support this system, Article 4 of the Interim Constitution outlines the rights and responsibilities of DReps. Any ADA holder can register as a DRep or delegate their voting stake to one or more registered DReps. This liquid democracy model allows for flexibility, enabling ADA holders to change their delegation at any time. The Cardano community is expected to develop tools to help ADA holders evaluate and select DReps based on criteria they deem relevant. Additionally, DReps may be compensated for their efforts, with the stipulation that any compensation must be disclosed. As we move closer to the implementation of this new governance model, educational resources will be made available through platforms like the Intersect Knowledge Base and SanchoNet. These materials are designed to be accessible and intuitive, allowing future DReps to self-train if they choose. For those interested in getting involved, Intersect offers various grant opportunities aimed at driving inclusion and accessibility in Cardano's governance. Non-members are encouraged to join Intersect to stay informed about future opportunities and contribute to the ecosystem's growth. As Cardano takes this significant step towards decentralized on-chain decision-making, the DRep Pioneer Workshop Leaders Program stands as a testament to the community's commitment to education and empowerment. This initiative, along with the broader implementation of CIP 1694, signals a new chapter in Cardano's history, one where the community truly directs its own path. This episode of Governance Matters was made possible by a grant from Intersect. GM Cardano is a production of Melody Studios. Support good governance on Cardano by sharing this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.